Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search in the Nokia C31. So at the start we have two ways for it. The first one is by the Google Photos. So we have to launch the Google Photos app. You should have it defaultly, but if you don't have, just open the Google Play Store and download Google Photos. If you have Google Photos, just launch it. And look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one. And just tap on the Google Lens. And now Google looking automatically for this photo or the similar photos. How you can see, this is the same photo like in my gallery. This is the first way, but if you don't have a Google Lens or you can use it, just open the web browser and go to the google.com. Now it's very important step, tap on this three dot icon or arrow icon and switch your web browser to the desktop mode. Now just zoom it a little bit and how you can see there we have a camera icon. So tap on it, choose upload a file and allow permissions to gallery. Then check the photo again and click done. Now Google looking for the photos. And how you can see, again we have exactly same photo like this one or the similar one. So we can get info about any photo by this way. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.